Good morning, all of you. Today I will start the next experiment in this power electronics commutation of SCR. Then aim of the experiment is to study the technique of the commutation of the SCR. Then apparatus CRO, multimeter, SCR, capacitor and the etc. And then circuit diagram of the commutation of the SCR. Firstly, it is a two SCR are used in this experiment. It is a kit of the commutation of the SCR. It is a SCR first and then SCR second. Here the firstly the SCR first it is here. Then resistor. Then first cathode it is here the cathode, anode and gate in this SCR first. Then anode this anode is connected here. Anode is connected here to the lead. Is here the anode is connected, is here the lead. Then a resistor R1 is here, and then it is a TPSU supply is the 10 volt applied to this resistor. Is here the resistor R1 and then R2 it is here the SCR2. The resistor R2 it is here, the resistor R2 is here, the 1 key resistor, and then a lead in this lead 2 in this SCR2, and then is connected to the anode of the second SCR here. And then it is a commutation of the used in this capacitor to store the charge. It is here, it is connected to the two anode in this SCR. 2 SCR is connected to the anode terminal, is here, and then connected to the anode of the second SCR. And it is a 2 anode cathode is connected to the, it is here, it is a grounded here. The 2 cathode in this SCR first and SCR second is the common, is here, is a connected to the ground pin. And the gate is a triggering in this resistor. 1 k resistor are used in this here to the connected to the gate across to the SCR1 and SCR2 is 1. It is used in this trigger to the SCR1 and SCR2. Then firstly check the power supply in this TPSU. It's a positive pin connected here. The multimeter is positive, means V milliampere, and then is here to the negative terminal of the TPSU. It is connected to the negative pin of the multimeter. It is here supply in this resistor across in this anode terminal in this 12 volt. It is here. By using this vary to the voltage in this course knob in this TPSU. The maximum 9 volt supply in this circuit. It is a 2 TPSU is used in this here the supply, and then it is 5 volt and this trigger to the SCR1 and SCR2. This here the supply is the 4.6 volt. This trigger to the resistor in this connected to the gate across. Then connection of the TPSU is the 10 volt supply is connected here the 2 resistor in this common in this 12 volt. It is here the SCR1 and SCR2 is connected to the common anode and terminal of the resistor. It's a positive pin, and the negative is the grounded here. The 2 cathode is the common here. The connection of the 2 cathode is the common. There it is used in this ground here. And then is a second are used in this trigger. Here is connected to the here resistor, and then single crocodile pin is connected to the trigger the SCR in this SCR first and then SCR second. then connection is, and here it is used to the triggering of the SCR1 and SCR2. Then firstly trigger the gate terminal in this SCR first is here. Then trigger the gate terminal of the SCR1. Then the LED is on, and this position are measured to the anode to cathode voltage is here. The multimeter are used in this. So grounded here is a cathode terminal, and then anode of the SCR first here, and this voltage is the 0.67 volt. This is the DC voltage in this first SCR anode to cathode. Across the voltage is 0.67, and then communication. It is the here the observation table is the condition. Then first before and the firstly आपण काय केले after communication of the main SCR means SCR first. It is here the SCR2 complement is 0.65 volt is here, and then this condition of the before commutation of the main SCR. It is here the second SCR is the turn on. This voltage are measured in this cathode to anode terminal. It is here is a 7.53 volt. It is here in this before commutation of the main SCR2. And then next is the turn on this SCR2. In this trigger are applied to the SCR second gate here. Then trigger applied to the SCR2 in gate terminal. The LED is on, and this position of the SCR1 is the LED is off. It is after commutation of the SCR2 is here. Then the voltage is measured in this anode to cathode terminal in this SCR2. So here the 5.24 volt. This is the after commutation of the SCR2 is here. And then this position or voltage is measured in this anode to cathode in this SCR first. Here is a 7.61 voltage. It is a before commutation of the SCR first. And then the experiment is the commutation of the SCR is studied successfully here.